Welcome to our guide on how to allow video calls from someone on X, Twitter, on your PC. Let's walk through the steps together. Start by opening X and navigating to the Messages tab to access your messaging settings. Next, locate the Settings cog icon in the top right corner of the screen and click on it to open the Settings menu. Within the Settings menu, look for the option to manage audio and video call permissions. To allow video calls from a specific user, simply uncheck the box located behind their username under Allow Audio and Video Calls From. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily enable video calls from the desired individual on X, enhancing your communication experience. Thank you for joining us. We trust that this tutorial has been informative in demonstrating how to allow video calls from someone on X, Twitter, on your PC. Customize your call settings to stay connected through video calls with those you choose, ensuring seamless communication on the platform.